A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on day one of Valvx 2026 in Hubli. We have with us a very interesting guest, Mr. Saurabh Awati from Supriya Prototech. It's good to meet you, Saurabh ji.
Thank you, thanks.
And now we are in the second half of the trade show.
Right.
Before we talk about Valvx, can you let us know more about your company, what it does, a little bit of history, the market size and all?
Yeah, our organization name is Supriya Prototech. I'm a second generation entrepreneur at this company. And we have started in the year 95. And we are mainly into valves and valve accessories mainly, valve automation systems. So we do have manual gear operators, we do have automation systems, we have pneumatic actuators, hydraulic actuators, electro-hydraulic actuators. So single acting, fail safe, whatever the process industry really demands for the automation, the end user, whatever, maybe oil and gas, maybe oil sand application or mining or heat power, thermal industry, which whatever they need, all the process automation solution for the walls, we have a solution.
Okay. And it's entire Make in India, Made for the World initiative?
Exactly. All our products, whatever we have added in Supriya Prototech are based on the market need. Okay. And every product, what we have developed in Supriya Prototech is completely a proprietary design and proprietary development of Supriya Prototech. Every product is engineered at Supriya Prototech, developed, manufactured in-house and proven. And yes, we are supplying across the world, more than 10 to 15 countries we are supplying.
And Saurabh Sahab, R&D plays a very important role.
Yes.
And since your product is very technical, very specific,
right,
and a lot of different, it's not like everybody's cup of tea. So how much R&D plays an important role in your industry, and what all you do, not too much technical. I know a lot of things you don't speak, but as much as you can speak about the R&D part for you.
Sir, what best I can tell is, today's process industry's demand is not defined 10 or 15 years back. It's been evolved. And the demand, is it fixed? No, it is evolving. It is changing. So the requirement is dynamic. So when the requirement is dynamic, as a OEM, as a product manufacturer, I have to be dynamic. I have to be dynamic in terms of meeting the process requirement. If their expectation is one, I need to be to the next level so that I can really catch the pace. So in respect to that, my team and our company, we are actually accelerating, we are catching the pace of the market. And today's whatever products we have demonstrated here are unique and to the best of the capability and whatever the process industry really needs. And niche solutions we have actually developed and demonstrated over here.
And you are a second generation entrepreneur. Your father is there, you are there.
Yeah.
So what is the change you have brought? I know it's founded in 1995. Things were different. And we are now we are talking about AI industry 5.0, 4.0. What is the changes you have seen the moment you have taken the command, or you have started investing more time in the company?
Manufacturing industry. This is a manufacturing industry. So it is two things we need to understand. One is labor intensive. Another is it is also asset heavy. In terms of machineries, in terms of infrastructure, everything. So the moment we decide to grow, and the only decision of we need to grow makes us really make pivotal decisions in terms of investing at the right place, at the right time. Maybe investing on human resource, investing on machineries, bringing the top-end machineries. And which really helps us to quickly develop the product, quickly provide the solution. And that's, I think, the next level shift. The second part, what we have to tell is automation. All different types of automation. And what really, if any part of the world, if you can get any of the actuation requirement, yes, at Hubli, at Supriya Prototech, we will be able to definitely deliver that particular solution. So that's the confidence that we have. As a second generation, I think I am carrying forward the legacy of what has been built, and I think I am adding more value onto the chain.
It's good to know that, a company from Hubli is exporting, is reaching out to global customer at a very niche segment. Best wishes for that. I know it's a very busy day. Day one, you will be, meeting a lot of customers. Lastly, can you let us know more about the show and what sort of, I know it's day one, very early.
Yeah.
But you are meeting a lot of people. How is in Hindi we say, how is the Josh for 2026 Valvx?
Josh is absolutely high. And to be very specific, Valvx 24 also we participated, and Valvx 26 also we are here. In terms of product positioning, not just ours, in terms of across the product positioning, I think everybody has really positioned very good product, very nice products. In terms of the quality of stalls and quality of products people have displayed, I think Valvx 26 is doing really great. And in terms of our contribution to that, yes, we are also at the pinnacle of that.
Thank you, Saurabh ji. Best wishes for Valvx 2026,
Thank
and
you,
we
thank
look
you.
forward to have many more interaction in future.
Sure.
Wish you a great success.
Definitely, sir. Thank you.